All right, guys, so we're here with the 5.3 again. So you can see. All right, so see we've got the intake on. Let me slap you in the videos of us doing that right here. And you see we put that intake on. We've about got all the wiring, so let me show you a little more. All right, guys, so on this swap, the only thing I'm really worried about is this brick right here, because when I was working on the engine, it had the chain busted off and it smushed this a bit, as you can see. It is a bit messed up. As you can see right here, it is a bit messed up in here. I don't think it's gonna matter. The only thing I'm really concerned with is this one, but I mean, I think it should be fine. I'm just gonna pay attention to this when I go and start putting it in. Other than that, we've got these two. Then the only other wire is right here off of the hot. It goes right here. We're not gonna put that on yet. What we gotta do is we're gonna pop this off. It's got clips right here, and it's got one big one right here. And this pops out, this pops out, and this pops out. And you can get to right here. These wires, I'm gonna make sure they go in. They will go right here. Where's the other one? The black one will go in here also. I want to say the black goes to the black and this white one goes to this blue one right here. But it might be the other way around. Let me see. It might be the other way around. Oh no, let's hope the wires aren't completely different. We're gonna have to figure something out then. But I think I have this backwards. No, this other way. This might be different. We might be out of luck here. Well, let me see. I got another harness, so no worries. All right, so you see, that's connected. That black one's fine, but this one is the problem. On mine, this one will not work. I can see the pins are a little different. Let me try and pull this out. You can see those pins right there, how those are, then how these are. They're slightly different. And even the pigtails are a little different. The only thing is these have these little grooves. I wonder if I could just cut those off and do it, or if I could switch this harness, because I don't think I can though. This is a 04 harness, or this is a 0201 harness, so that's why this one fits, because this truck is a 99 and this is a 04 harness. So I'm gonna have to figure something out here. I'm gonna have to look into this real quick, then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so you see where we are, the fuse box. This is gonna be the biggest problem right now, because this is what powers it. So I'm gonna have to figure those out. I'm gonna have to get those going. I'm either gonna have to cut into this harness, or let me show you. All right, so we're gonna be taking the whole 04 harness, get it out of our way. We don't need it. We're gonna take that off and we're also gonna remove this. Let me show you why. All right, so you see right here, this is a drive-by cable intake and throttle body. We're gonna take this, pull this off, put this on. We'll have a drive-by cable. I think I just gotta switch the cable. I'm not sure if the V6 and V8 are the same. I'm going to assume they are not, but we will see and we'll learn together. But this is gonna make it easier. We won't have to worry about that. It'll just run off the throttle cable. I have these sensors, which brings us to the wiring. Let me show you the wiring. So if you can see right here, we have I think this is like a 01 harness. Needed a few repairs. My dad fixed it for me. Just needed the MAF, then all the way to the O2 sensors. But other than that, this will fire right up and it'll go right to it. You see those are the same plugs I was using earlier. I got the whole fuse block, but the one off my truck will work. We just need that block right there, those and the PCM wires, and we'll be all good. But let me show you where I had to repair it. We needed the MAF and the O2s, the wires that go down that way. I believe it had that one. Then it needed the one for the coolant. And where's the MAF one? Right here. Needed the MAF one connected. So got that done. Now we're gonna take that harness, drop it on here, and it'll wire all right up. And most importantly, the two connections on the other harness right here will fit right in, because this is same year, or it's about the same range year as this one. This is a 99, and I believe that one's a 01 harness that I have, so it'll plug straight in already. I already tested it. You saw I had it in there, so it'll plug right in. The block will go right in. It'll fire right, or it'll go all on here perfectly. The only thing I'm not sure of is the injectors. I want to say some of them change, and that's one thing I'm gonna have to look at. Coil packs, I believe it should be the same, but if anything, it might be the injectors also. But these are the ones from that harness, so we'll be good to go there. And you see, I got both V8 mounts and mounting brackets on both sides. I had the other one come in. Just throwing a little clip of me tying them down. But yeah, we got those. We got this temporary on for now. So all we're gonna do now is just throw on the harness, get that all ready, then do a little more with the bell driven stuff. And I'll show you putting me all this on, connecting it all up. But if you want to see that, you're gonna hit that follow and stay tuned for the next one because we got that coming. Appreciate you for watching. One more look at that. Thing is looking nice.